Come on, everyone, let's sing along. The alphabet song, so happy and strong. A is for apple, jumping high with a smile, red and so happy for a little while. B is for bear, so sweet and cute, gently swaying to the dancing flute. C is for crab, dancing with glee, waving his claws for you and me. D is for dolphin, a cute pink friend, dancing and singing right to the end. E is for eagle, soaring high and free, flapping his wings for all to see. F is for fox, dancing with a swing, a happy little fox, hear him sing. G is for ghost, floating around, making a boo without a sound. H is for hippo, so joyful and round, dancing happily on the ground. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, learning letters happy as can be. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, so many letters, watch them grow. I is for ice cream, spinning round and round, the sweetest treat to be found. J is for jellyfish, floating so light, with a gentle pulse, a wondrous sight. K is for kite, flying up high, swaying so gently in the blue sky. L is for llama, changing colors bright, a fluffy friend, a wonderful sight. M is for Mickey, happy and grand, dancing and prancing across the land. N is for narwhal, so round and so blue, floating so gently, saying how do you do. O is for orange, dancing with cheer, a happy fruit year after year. P is for panda, so fluffy and sweet, dancing around on his cute little feet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, learning letters happy as can be. H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, so many letters, watch them grow. Q is for quail, walking with the babies, cute little chicks as happy as can be. R is for rocket, flying far and fast, through outer space, a journey built to last. S is for submarine, cute and pink, bobbing and floating, deeper we sink. T is for tiger, dancing and swaying, a cute little cub, happy and playing. U is for unicorn, so gentle and sweet, walking with magic on magical feet. V is for van, driving far away, on a grand adventure, hip hip hooray. W is for watermelon, dancing with glee, a fruity friend for you and for me. X is for Xylophone, playing a tune, with mallards tapping, bright as the moon. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, learning letters happy as can be. H, I, J, L, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Y is for yo-yo, spinning down and up, a playful toy, filling us with luck. Z is for zebra, running fast and free, zooming and zipping for all to see. Now you know your letters, A to Z. Learning is fun for